The JCB backhoe loader cab means the operator is kept comfortable as well as safe. The four-post design gives good protection from rollover and falling object hazards. With easy entry from doors on either side, the cab gives exceptional all-round visibility for the entire work area. The spacious low-noise deluxe automotive-style cab has plenty of room for the operator to change between forward and rear-facing operation. As well as opening windows, the cab contains numerous air vents to ensure the operator remains cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Additionally, the one-piece rear window provides excellent visibility to the rear work area and, when raised, can also serve as a rain canopy. In the cab, there is plenty of storage space for lots of things such as food, drink, safety beacon and documents. The superior mechanical suspension seat ensures the operator will remain comfortable after many hours in the cab, and the low-effort mechanical controls are designed to be very easy to use. The standard tilting steering column lets the operator adjust the steering wheel to the best position. An easy-to-read instrument panel shows the machine's operational information and provides visual and audible indications when required. Powerful work lights provide illumination of the work area so that operations can continue at any time of the day or night and in all conditions.